Dear students, Assalamu alaikum. This is your teacher Syed Fakhri and we are discussing graphs as we have been discussing in exercise 1E, book 3. This is the equation and it says plot the following equations onto the set of axes below. Equation given is y is equals to x squared minus 2x minus 3. Now, for a perfect graph to be plotted, we need few steps to be taken. So we calculate solution set. Solution sets. X squared minus 2x minus 3. We factorize it and we get x squared minus 3x plus 2x. This is broken into these two parts. And now here we have got x as common. We take x as common. We get x minus 3. Here we take plus 1. X minus 3. We put equals to 0. And then x plus 1 and x minus 3. So we get x is equals to minus 1 and x is equals to 3 as two solutions. So we plot them here, minus 1 and 3. We plot them here. We say, okay, I mark it with red. So this is the point 3 and this is minus 1. We can very well see that equation of second step as we are going first, equation of line of symmetry would be calculated by minus b over 2a. So x is equals to minus 2. Now let's see. See, we can very well see here that minus b is actually minus 2 and a is 1, so we put 1 here and we see that 2 upon 2 gives us 1, so 1 is displaced. We put a line here. This is our equation of line of symmetry. Okay, so this is our equation of line of symmetry. We place it here. Now the third point, if possible, we take the minimum point, and the minimum point is we place the equation x squared minus 2x minus 3 in this equation. We place the value of equation of line of symmetry, so we get the value of y. So 1 square minus 2, 1 minus 3. So we get 1 minus 2 minus 3. So we get y is equals to minus 4. So 1 comma minus 4 is the minimum point. So this is our minimum point. Now we have got these points. We can see that y-axis, y-intercept is also needed. So let's calculate y-intercept. Y-intercept, our y-intercept is when x is equals to 0. So we say in equation we place x as 0. So we get y is equals to minus 3. Thus the y-intercept is minus 3 and at that point x is equals to 0. So this is our Dear students, I hope it's clear till yet. Now, just for the sake of further understanding, we take few more points. For example, we can take x as 2, x as 0, that we have already taken. But these two will help us. So let's put this point in the equation. So equation was y is equals to x square minus 2x minus 3, and we place in place of x 2. So we get minus 3. So if we put x as 2, we get 3, and so on. So let's draw the graph. You can see I take another color so it's easier for us. So this is graph or something like this. When you're using a pencil, your hand would be steady and you'll draw smoother graphs. Right now, just bear with me and see that this is how you're going to draw a graph. This is your equation of line of symmetry. Hope you have understood. We move to the next question.